This thing on here? Is it on? It on? Hey there, y'all. My name Woody. I'm a redneck. We here in Arizona, and I ain't seen no engines yet, but we just got our bellies full. Me and my kids and my big old wife. There's this restaurant back here with a nice looking motel too, our kind of place. It says Route 66 Motel and 66 Cafe Restaurant, and they had them good things like them bacon and eggs and biscuits and gravy. My wife, she ate 3 plates of stuff. Let me show you here. They got this stuff. There's that old Hilltop Cafe, Route 66, and they got that Route 66 Motel there. I tell you what, that's a good old kind of eating. We might just stay here for a night or two. I don't see no engines around here. I ain't seen no teepees yet. And no engines or teepees, that's a good thing. I don't know whether we just keep hitting the road to Hollywood or stay here a spell. We talk to you soon. I'm Woody. I'm a redneck.